Hello everyone, I'm Prem Kumar. Welcome to Math JEE Academy. Today I'm going to discuss with you the very good transformation. The first transformation is f of x is there. Just replace x by mod x. It is changes to f of mod x, right? Okay. So this transformation, what you can do here, just remove the left part. So I just want to find out f of mod x. Just replace x by mod x. So remove left part. Left part means what? X less than 0 part of f of x. And take image of right part. Right part means x is greater than 0. Clear? Let's take one example. Suppose f of x equal to e power x. So just I'm replacing x by mod x, right? How to draw the graph of e power mod x? First you can reference graph you can draw first. You know e power x graph, right? This one, y is equal to e power x. So what is the rule? You replace x by mod x means you have to remove the left portions. You have to remove the left portions. That means x less than 0. Have to remove it and take the right part. Take the right part of that is a mirror. Okay. Whatever the right portion is there, you take the mirror of that. Clear? Understood? This is the graph of y is equal to e power mod x. I hope all of you understood, right? Okay. Next, second thing I'll teach you, replace x by minus mod x. Replace x by minus mod x. So that case, what you have to do, just f of x changes to f of minus mod x. That case, you just remove the right part. The first step what you can do, remove right part of the graph. Right part means what? X is greater than 0 of f of x. And take the image. Take image of left part. Left part means what? X is less than 0, right? So the same graph you can take. Suppose you can take the e power x graph. So y is equal to e power x, right? So what you can do, just you remove the right portions. You have to right portions, okay, remove it and take the right portions. So left portions. Okay, this is the graph. Just take the right portion, remove it, and whatever the left side is there, take the mirror image. Okay, understood? Okay, this whole graph is what? E power minus mod x. Clear? So because left portions are unchanged, so the whole graph is, this whole graph is e power minus mod x. Okay. So what is the rule here? Just replace. First rule is what? Just I'm replacing x by mod x. Second one is x by replaced by minus mod x. That means f of x changes to f of mod x. This is f of x changes to f of minus mod x. So the first portion, whatever the left side is there, you remove it and take the right side image. Second one, whatever the right side is there, remove it. Whatever the left portion is there, take the image. Understood? Let me take more example. Okay. So let's take y is equal to greatest integer function of mod x. How to draw the graph? Suppose first you know that greatest integer function is a step function, right? So you know it is breaking at all the integers, right? So 1, here is 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, like this, right? The graph is going like this, right? And if you 2 here, 2, 2 to 3, it will be 2, right? So here minus 1 to 0 will be what? Minus 1, right? Minus 1 if you take minus 1 only. Clear? So this is step function, right? So what you can do, just replace x by mod x means what? What is the idea? Just left side is there, no? You have to remove it. Whatever the left side is there, x less than 0, remove it. And whatever the right side is there, you just to take the image of this. So image should be what? Here this image should be like this. I'll take another color. Let's take green. Right? So this portions will be like here, like this. Now let's take minus 2 to, right? This I'm just transferring, right? This one is transferred to minus 4 minus, that means minus 2 to minus 3 to minus 2, right? So you can draw the graph here, minus 3 to minus 2, right? This is the graph. What you can do, just you take the left side portion, you remove it, whatever the right side is there, you take the mirror image of that. Understood? Okay. Then how to draw the graph of log mod x? Second one, y is equal to log mod x graph. How to draw? Just you can draw the first log x graph. You already know that, right? Suppose I'm taking this is log x graph. This is passing through 1 comma 0. You know the log x graph says whatever the left side log mod x, how to draw? Just take the left side portion. Here there is no left side portions. Then positive portions you can unchange, right? Keep it as it is. Whatever the right side is there, you can take the mirror image, right? This combine these two things will be log of mod x graph. I will just take the black color only. Yes, the whole graph is log of mod x. Clear? Okay. Then how to draw the graph of let's take log of minus mod x. It's not possible, no? You can see if I replace x by minus mod x, minus of mod x is not defined because the logarithm cannot be negative. This is not possible, right? Okay, fine. So next we'll do the next transformation idea is f of x changes to mod f of x. So what you can do this case, so only take the image of negative part of f of x. Okay, only take image of negative part. That means below x-axis. Below x-axis. Okay. about, only take image of negative part, that means below x-axis, about x-axis. So now you can keep the positive part as it is. Don't disturb that. Positive part, that means above x-axis. Positive part here is what? Above x-axis. I'm talking about image, right? Positive x-axis as unchanged. Don't change that one, right? Let me take one simple example. Y is equal to log x. You can take this one. This is x-axis, it's y-axis. Let's take, this is the log x graph, right? It's passing through 1, 0. Now you need to draw the mod log x graph. How to draw this? What is the rule says? Only take image of negative part of x-axis. What is negative part of x-axis? So negative part will be what? Below x-axis. Below x-axis what? This portion. Now you can take the image of that. Whatever the negative portion is there, take the image. So modular job is you converting into positive, right? So you have to take the negative y values changes to positive. Okay. So this is your mod log x graph. Okay. Fine. So let's take one example actually. Before that, you need to understand the y is equal to minus mod f of x graph. How to draw the graph? Suppose if I take y is equal to log x graph, this is f of x. How to draw minus mod f of x graph? You already know that the graph log x graph is this one, right? Y is equal to log x. Then how to draw mod log x graph? Just whatever the left side portion is there, you can take the mirror image of x-axis, right? Okay, so that the below x-axis is there, no, you just take the mirror. You just shift it to above portions, right? Okay, fine. Now what you can do, whatever the graph which is covered by mod f of x, you take the mirror image of x-axis. Understood? So how to draw x-axis? Just you take this portion is there, no, this portions will be covered like this. Okay, let's take this one. This portions will be covered like this, and this portions will be like this. Let's take another color. This portion, right? This graph will be minus mod log x graph. Okay. So what is the rule here? You have to do the mod f of x graph is there, no? The same thing you can do. After that, you just reflected about the x-axis. This is minus mod f of x graph. Understood? What is the rule here? First you can find the mod f of x. Okay. Find mod f of x. Then what you can do? Take image of mod f of x about x-axis. Clear? Just you take, you can draw the graph, the plane, whatever the negative portions of image is there, you just shift it to right above the x-axis, right? You shifted over x-axis, right? and then whatever the image of mod fx is there, you just reflected about the x-axis, that is the minus mod f of x graph. Okay, so let me take one simple questions. If mod log mod x graph is equal to, suppose, k, find k if first is no solution and second one is 2 solution, third one is 4 solution, and fourth one is infinitely many solutions. So how to draw the graph of this? First, these kind of question, what you can do, left side you can draw first, right side you can draw, and then combine these two things, right? First, I'm taking the first log x graph and then log mod x graph and then mod log mod x graph. Okay, so the first one by one we'll do first. First you can take log x graph. This is y is equal to log x. Okay, fine. Now you need to change x by mod x. X by mod x means what you can do? Just you remove the left part of the image, but there is no left part. You take the right part of the image reflected about the y-axis, right? Okay, so therefore this would be, just you can take this one. Let's combine these two graph is log mod x. Okay, now what you can do? Just apply mod. Apply mod means what? Whatever the negative portion is, the negative image is there, you just reflected about the x-axis, just like this. Okay, just reflected. The same side, left side will be like this, right? Yes. Now actual graph is what? This one, right? This is 0. Okay, this is 1 comma 0. This is minus 1 comma 0. Let's do this graph. This graph is this one, and this graph is like this. Okay, this is your graph. This is the whole graph is what? Modulus of log mod x, right? Now you can see the right side is k is there, no? Just you can draw a horizontal line, that is y is equal to k. Suppose this y is equal to k is crossing the x-axis, means the k will be 0, right? If k is 0, so obviously how many solution is possible? 2 solution is possible. These are 2 solutions. 2 solution is possible. And if k is, suppose you can see less than 0. Less than 0 means what? Below the x-axis. K is less than 0 means no solution. Why no solution? This given graph and the line is not intersecting, therefore no solutions. And then third one, you can see if you take any line you can draw, like more than 0, it will cross the graph at most 4 points, right? So if k is greater than 0, there are 4 solution is possible. Understood? And if infinitely many solution possibility is there? No, there is no infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution means the graph, the both side graph will be intersect infinitely many points. There is no possibility here. The maximum it will be hit the graph at most 4 point. Therefore, if k is more than 0, 4 solution, so that means k is belongs to empty set. Here is infinitely many solutions, right? Understood? So the just quick review that what is the first thing we did? Just you replace x by mod x and then x by minus mod x. That means f of x changes to f of mod x. And second thing, f of x changes to f of minus mod x. The first portion, what you can do, whatever the left side is there, you remove it, take the right side image. Right side, whatever right side part is there, you take the image about the y-axis. And second one, you can see second one, what you can do, whatever the right side portion is there, you remove it and left side portion take the image. Understood? And this is second one. Third one we did here is f of x changes to mod f of x. What you can do, whatever the graph may be, if it is cross the x-axis or below x-axis there, you remove the negative portion of the image and you shift it to the above one, right? For example, if you take the mod x graph, right? Let's take you can see, suppose if you take rough graph, you can take, suppose if the graph is like this, okay, then what you can do, this negative portion is there, no, just it's shifted up, this negative portions will be shifted up. This is mod of the image of the graph. Understood? I hope everyone understood these things. Just the three transformation we discussed here. One is x changes to mod f of mod x. Second one is x changes to minus mod x. Third one is mod f of x. That means f of x changes to mod f of x. Okay. The first one is you just remove the left part, take the right part as the image. Second one is you remove the right part, take the left part as image. Third one is you can take the negative y-axis is there, no, negative values of y values is there, no, just remove it and take the shift it to above. That means above x-axis, right? Like this. Okay. So thank you everyone. So we'll continue in the next class. So if you like this channel, like this video, you can share to your friends and you can learn many things through the graph. Thank you.